Intelligent document processing is fundamentally about taking a unstructured or semi-structured document that you might receive as a piece of paper through the post or as an attachment to an email, and converting that into meaningful, accurate, and transactable structured data. There have been promises made about intelligent document processing for years and years, but we're now finally at a place with the new developments in AI where it's really starting to deliver value at scale. IDP is fundamentally about time saving and accuracy. Imagine you're in an invoice processing environment. Classic type of document businesses receive, but an invoice that you receive from Enate doesn't look the same as an invoice that you receive from SAP. They've got the same basic data on them, and IDP will get that data out of the document and into a transactable format. You're able to go from manually processing 1,000 invoices in, say, 50 hours. You're bringing that down to about 8 hours. There's still that human in the loop to validate what the AI is bringing out, but you're so much faster and more accurate because you've got another set of eyes on it. If you're using Enate AI IDP, and all you need to do is add an IDP action to your Enate workflow, and Enate will start extracting the data from those documents so that you can use it in your systems downstream.